You just need to put coffee grounds on eggshells. A housewife revealed this secret to me. I never threw away eggshells again after this. It's truly incredible. For this simple trick, we'll need some eggshells, at least 5. I never imagined that such a simple tip would bring me so many benefits, all while using only natural products. Place all the eggshells into a blender and add 5 heaping tablespoons of ground coffee. It can be the coffee grounds you have at home or even used coffee grounds. You're probably curious and wondering what this is for, but I assure you it'll be worth it, and you'll never stop doing this at home. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones we least expect, and in this tip, I'll show you one of them. A solution you can implement in minutes. After adding the coffee, we'll put in 2 banana peels. Bananas are very rich in nutrients and will make all the difference in this simple trick. After adding the banana peels, we'll pour in 700 milliliters of room temperature water. This tip was taught by a housewife because it uses only natural products. I was already surprised even before testing it. After making it and seeing the results with my own eyes, I was amazed. Blend this mixture in the blender for about 3 minutes until everything is well ground. Look at how it turns out. If you've made it this far, it means you're enjoying our content. Take a moment to comment with the city and country you're from and your name. That way, I can send a big shout out to you and everyone in your area. After blending everything, pour the mixture into a container, and don't forget to include all the eggshells that settle at the bottom. Since they're heavier, it's normal for them to sink, but it's very important to transfer everything into a container because all the ingredients are essential for application. If you're still wondering what this is for, I'll tell you right now. We've made an incredible natural fertilizer and healing solution for plants. All these elements combine to strengthen plants, helping them recover from potential problems, such as pests, insects, and growth issues. As you can see, I have some plants where I always use natural products like this. I applied this natural fertilizer and healing solution once before, and I was amazed. That's why I decided to share it so that everyone can make it at home. Besides being economical, it's extremely beneficial for your garden or vegetable plants. I hope you enjoyed this simple tip, shared from the heart. And don't forget, in this Christmas season, may the peace and blessings of Jesus' birthday light up your home and family. A big hug and may God bless you. See you in the next video.